On 22nd April 2025, they took a terrorist attack on Basiran Valley, Pahalgam, which is also known as the mini Switzerland. ये एक बहुत popular tourist spot है. So it is quite evident that the target was the tourists. There were 5 armed militants जिन्होंने ये attack किया था. 26 were killed and more than 20 were injured. वहाँ के जो locals थे, they have helped a lot. उन्होंने सबको hospitalized किया, those who were injured. Most of them, not सबको, most of them. And 12 of them were stable in the hospital. But that is not the question. जब मैंने पहली बार ये सुना, so there were some questions I had in my mind. And trust me, no one had the answer for that question. I mean, so I thought that maybe you could answer that question. What was their mistake? जिनको ऐसे बेरहमी से मारा गया था in the name of religion, what was their mistake? What was the mistake of their family? What about their dreams? 26 people, male, they were killed. This is not a matter of joke. This is a very sensitive matter. And I got to know that वहाँ पे obviously there were tourists, and there was a couple who were just 6 days married and they were there for the honeymoon. And he got shot, killed, murdered. This kind of terrorism has taken place after 17 years. Honestly, I was thinking that how can I get the answers of the question which I was thinking? Surprisingly, no one had that answer. I'm damn sure that no one from you have those answers. I also don't have that answer, being an Indian. Why? Why did this happen? Is it very easy to divide us Indians in the name of religion? Being an Indian, I say no. After the independence, I feel this is the high time जहाँ पे we all should stand together and show our unity. Because this time, we are not Bengalis, Rajasthani, Gujarati, Kashmiris, nothing. We are collectively Indians. That is our nationality. That is our pride. And this time, India needs us. India needs Indians, because this is not something which we can digest. This is not right. And I request everyone, because this is a heinous crime that has occurred and it is very upsetting. I actually was listening to the stories of the people, those who have visited that place, those who were there at that time. I was listening to interviews, I was listening, because मुझे अंदर से इतना ज़्यादा बुरा लग रहा था. It was shocking. I am very upset with this incident, and I thought I should make this video because this is the only way I can spread awareness. This is the only thing I can do for the families who are suffering right now. इससे ज़्यादा मैं और कुछ नहीं कर सकती. I can only support and spread awareness. And you could do that. As being the citizens of India, I think this is our time. Let the judiciary do their work. They are doing their job. Let us do ours. We should raise our voice this time. Because this is not acceptable. Not at all. I won't accept this kind of terrorism, this kind of crime in our country. And for that, we need to be stronger. We need to be united and together. Because individually, we are divided on the basis of our caste, on our religion, economic basis, financial basis, so many divisions. But collectively, we are Indians, because there is an external threat which we all can sense. And this is our time. So, let us prove this time that we are Indians and we are together in this. We will fight together. I am with my motherland. Are you? Jai Hind.